Good evening, everyone. Today, this video I am preparing for the teachers how they will evaluate the Google form with the help of various answers, and these answers are based on very short form and short form because Google form can evaluate easily MCQ type answers, but in short and very short, teacher has to evaluate manually. So suppose I am having this Google form. This is sample form. So I'm copying this link and I'm opening in Chrome, and after that you can see one question paper is there. So I am filling as a student like Rajesh, email ID is there, gmail.com is email ID which is necessary, and student name is Rajesh Verma. Okay, now this question paper is having two MCQs. Simple, so we have taken only two. So this question is what is the full form of RDBMS? These are four possible answers, and the student has to write or select the proper answer. Suppose he is selecting relational database management system, and second question is what is full form of RAM in computer? So first, suppose he is selecting, okay, two MCQ he has done, and after that write the full form of Rome. This is very short type answer. The student has to write only one word, two word, or maximum one line. So what we have to do? Suppose student is writing the answer, read only memory. Now question number 4 is what? Write two functions of ALU in computer. Two functions. So sorry, two functions like calculation and decision making. This is the function of ALU. Now question number 5. This is short type. Short type means it is bigger than the very short type. Define RDBMS. So RDBMS means relational database management system. This is the answer. Now next question number 6 is define DDL command in MySQL. DDL command means data definition language. Okay, and it is meant for managing the database and table in MySQL. Okay, this is the six. These are all six answers. Two of MCQ, two of very short, and two of short. After submitting this, this will come. Okay, so this is the part of the student. Student suppose filled the answer. Now this is the part. Now next part is teacher's part. Teacher has to evaluate the answers in Google form, and how they will evaluate I am going to show. Okay, so suppose I am closing this. Teacher is opening the Google form again. This Google form teacher will see. Then this pen is showing the edit. So click here. Then this will come. This would have two options: questions and responses. And this responses, when we will click on this responses, we will have this type of screen. In this screen, we have green arrow or green plus sign at the right top corner. So click on this green right top corner, then we will have this spreadsheet. This spreadsheet is having suppose many columns, okay, and you can see the answers are coming in a systematic way. So how it is coming? Because I have done certain settings. Okay, so first setting, suppose the answer is big one and it is not coming in a proper column. So first we will select the column and we will go this option, text wrapping. So we have to select this text wrapping, and this option, wrap option, we have to select. Clear? This wrap option, okay, cut the line and arrange in the particular column like this. And after that, suppose we have to change the height of the column. So select multiple column like this. Multiple column we have to select, and just change the size of any one column. So you can see all selected column will be changed accordingly. Why we are doing this? Because we have to see the answer, descriptive format answer, we have to see the answer properly. Okay. Now what we have to do next? Now this is the answer. You can see this answer is going to the next cell also. So what we have to do? Click on this particular cell and we have to select this second option, wrap option. Now you can see this is coming in the particular cell only. Then change the size like this. Even more. Similarly for this also you can do the same thing. Second, it is like this. Okay. So you can set the sheet accordingly. This is Excel sheet. You can download this sheet also. How we can download this sheet? Just I am going to tell you. File option is there and download option is also there. Then you can see many options are there, like Microsoft Excel format you can download. You can download in PDF format also. You can download in HTML format also. So most preferable format is PDF, which is applicable for all the phone device, everything. Okay. Now the thing is how we have to evaluate the answer. So one I have done already. So we have to mention the question number 1 and 2, 1 to 2. Why? Because this is MCQ type. Computer will evaluate automatically. Question number 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 and 4 very short type. 5 and 6 are short type. So this we will see what is giving the answer 2. 2 means 2 MCQs are there. One is correct, one is wrong. So we have 2 marks out of 4. So we will put here 2. Now go back. Question number 3. Question number 3 is what? Question number 3 is write the full form of Rome. Very short answer. And the student has written read only memory, which is correct answer. So we have to give 2 marks here. Okay. Now next is question number 4. Write the function of ALU in computer. Okay. Calculation and decision. So this is also correct answer. We will put 2. Next is define RDBMS short answer. Short answer means it is bigger than the very short answer. The student will write more. So RDBMS means Relational Database Management System. It is very correct. 2 marks again. Now question number 6. Define DDL command in MySQL. DDL command means data definition language, and it is meant for managing the database and the table in MySQL. It is also correct. So this is the answer marks, okay, which are all getting by the student. Now we have to calculate the total. So equal sign we have to put. Now sum function we have to do, and this is third row, and this is k column. So we have to mention k3 here, and colon sign we have to put. Then this is O. Last value is O, and this we have to calculate. So O3 bracket close, then enter. Now you can see 10. So student Rajesh, okay, has got 10 marks out of 12. So this process we have to repeat for all the students which have appeared the exam to the examination, and we have to calculate the mark like this. After calculating, we can download here by the option. Download option is there. We can download it, and we can share also this sheet, okay, and you can do other operations also. Next is what? One thing I want to show. After completing the examination, you can switch off the accepting responses by this button. So how we will get this button? You will get this button in response option. Question is there, and responses are there. You can have this button. If you switch off this button, the student will not, okay, give the answer. They would not submit their paper. So after completing the time and day, we should switch off this option. Okay, I think it is very clear to you. Thank you so much.